Hi, my name is Tim Payne. I am the chef at Coho restaurant here in Friday Harbor. At Coho, we do a lot of sourcing through local and regional farms. We have focused on Mediterranean style food and kind of focusing on the bounty of the season with a rotating seasonal menu. Right now we are moving into the beginning of fall. It kind of coincides with the end of summer. It's probably the best time to cook seasonally because you still have some of the summer produce. It's not quite bare in winter, but we're starting to see the fruits and vegetables show up that are representative of what we all think of as fall. So we tend to gravitate towards comforting, homey, fall spiced dishes. And so what we'll be cooking with you is a dish that is focused on some of those items. Winter squash, sage, which when you think of fall and Thanksgiving and Halloween, you think sage is a big part of that. Winter squash starts to come in, which will be with us through the whole winter. And then something that we focus on quite a bit here and is a passion of mine, which is fresh handmade pasta. So we're going to focus on a specific type you may or may not be familiar with called garganelli, which is hand rolled. And so we'll walk you through the process of making our dough, which is an egg-based dough, and rolling the pasta ourselves, and then a simple pesto-based pasta dish that you can put together at home very easily.